Hello dear patrons, and if you've got the EcoFlow Powerstream together with the River or River Max or whatever car charging port to enable your house with the power, you may find one cable is one of these cable is unable to feed your Powerstream with the amount of ampere, and if it happens like your Powerstream unit is just clicking with relay and River showing you just pulsation of the energy, you will find that the cable is malfunctioning. And to fix the problem in this cable, you need to open it, not just like cracking with damaging. You need just a sharp kind of needle to get under the rubber tube, and you will find this pin on one side and on the other, and all you need is just to roll it off the shells with this kind of motion. You just move it up, and yeah, here you can see this shell is opened. Now, how to open and not damage this one with your instrument. I'll show you how to do that. First, you need to apply some sharp blade like cutting knife, and you need to find just a little small kind of crack, and you need to find which side of the shell you are working with. I mean, on one side of this shell there is the key with the hole, and on the other side there is the teeth that bites that key, and you need just to kind of find the which side to lift and which side is to as you can see, I found that this side holding the key and that side holding the teeth that gets inside, and I can say that that nozzle has the same two keys. I mean, bottom part, and the upper part comes with teeth, and all you need is to lift the side with the teeth, and I'm getting inside with the plastic instrument like this sharp card or old credit card can help to get inside and kind of lift it up like that. I am pushing it inside and lifting. As you can see, there is the key on bottom side and teeth on one side. This key is already open, and I need to get on the other side as well. All I do is I'm running inside and then lightly picking up. I mean, you can do it just with a blade as well, just knowing that you don't have to run with your blade inside and cut the key. I'm usually reverting my knife on in this case, and I'm getting blade inside like opposite, and then cracking it up with lifting movement like up like that. As you can see, I am open it without damaging. Here is the upper shell, and there is the lower part of the shell. And the problem of this malfunction, cable malfunction, is the cold soldering of this small fuse. As you can see, it is a square size, and one side or the other is just badly soldered. All you need is to get a little solder and put it with flux on the connection point and just heat it enough to let the solder get inside on the bottom of the fuse and let it connect it properly. I just fixed this problem and decided to share my knowledge to the world and to let people know that the malfunctioning cable is easy to fix just with a proper manual on how to disassemble the socket and how to apply some knowledge and skill just to fix the fuse cold solder. I'll recommend you to use a little Vaseline, just to put some amount of Vaseline on the keys here and there to let you let's say have the possibility to open it and to close it without ruining and damaging the teeth and the keys. To close it, you just place everything on the side of the shell with the key with the holes on the sides, and place the teeth side of shell on top and just squeeze it, letting all of the keys just connects and makes the socket all assembled. And I also will add some kind of Vaseline on top of this ring to let those rings sit fast on top of the unit and assemble it quickly like a toy. As you can see, I am pushing the rubber ring on top of the unit and just rotate it to align the teeth of the rubber and holes of the shell. That's it. All you need to do is proper disassembly, applying some soldering skill, and your cable will work without problem in your Powerstream gear. Thank you for attention. Have fun. God bless everyone.